Alright, so the chain tensioner that we put on the buggy is a little bit too small, and instead of moving things around, drilling more holes, I want to just put a bigger chain tensioner there. The one that's there is fantastic and all, but I think if I could make something like this work, and I can machine this down to have the chain sit in there, it would be better, because this is actually a broken wheel off of a rubbish bin, right? This is normally on this, and once these come off, you can't really put them back on without special tools, and even if you were to be able to put this back on, it wouldn't be worth the time because it would just come off again. So what I'm going to do is, I was thinking machining this down widthwise, and then machining this not smaller but just narrower, and then if we can succeed doing that, this would be basically like a zero cost chain tensioner. So this could be a consumable, which it wouldn't be, because I'd obviously put a bearing in there, or even if I didn't, even if I just left it as a bushing, I would just change it, like, you know, once every however long, and these are free. So let's see if we can get it to the narrowness that we need, and then let's see what we can do from there. Damn, son. Aight. Oh, are you joking? Why are you focusing on something? Well, a little bit better. Alright, as you can see, I put that wheel in right there, and you can see, look how tight that chain is now. I think what issue we were having when I test drove it was the sprocket was actually skipping because the chain was too loose. So what I decided to do is I put a solid bar through the frame, and right there is where that wheel is mounted, and yeah. So I think because it's a solid mount, it's a bit more sturdy. I'll remove this, but for now I'll just leave it. I was thinking of doing a little quick test drive. Yeah, it is a bit of a mission to get that in there. This is over the top of the bar, as you can see, so that the bushing stays in place. There's a washer on the other side, and yeah, I think that's gonna work. Even if that thing gets worn out after a couple drives, I mean, they're just broken bin wheels. That chain tensioner now, so just keep replacing it. Oh boy, kind of nervous. What are you laughing about?
You're nervous about this, you made it. So I think you should be sure of. However, you're doing it in thongs. I can't see anything. that big. You hear that? Up there, plane.
No, That's sick. Took this bloke a year to build. Jix engine in a row. How sick is that? That thing is awesome.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
I'm still yet to drive it. Now when we took it up to Mudgee, all the boys had a go.
Broke it before you got to go?
Yeah.
That's what he just said, he's just done the axle or something. That thing is awesome, that's cool.
Yeah. I love how he's got the Bunnings hat on and he's got thongs.
Safety first.
Yeah. But you know Will?
No, I just live there and I'll just see you come out. And
Oh, you live here?
yeah, I'll just live at the end there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just see, I've got my trail bikes and all that, and I love going out bush. And we wanted to do this. My mate just put a new engine in his bike, and we wanted to build something like this. Well, we thought a bit, all talk in the garage, nothing's ever happened.
Yeah.
But this is amazing.
Yeah, see, his friends were interested in this as well.